So I'm really excited. I got a package in the mail today. I've been waiting a couple weeks for. It's a couple plants from a nursery called Sacred Succulents. They're out in California, and they've got a lot of really interesting plants that I haven't seen for sale anywhere else. Looks like they have a catalog for new plants here. They have a lot of succulents, of course, but they have stuff from all around the world. Trees, and shrubs, and seeds, and anything your heart can desire, and a lot of stuff that I've never heard of. Order forms. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's start with the seeds. We've got Vaccinium Ovatum, which is an evergreen huckleberry, which I'm really interested in. Really interested in all the Vacciniums and seeing if they cross with any of the blueberries that I have. And this is a fairly rare kind, probably more found in the Pacific Northwest, but it is native to North America. Also the Vaccinium Parvaflorum, which is like a red huckleberry. Again, probably more towards the west coast of North America, but native as well, and still in that Vaccinium genus, so it's likely that these plants can cross-pollinate with other blueberry varieties. And then the last one, Claytonia Siberia, which is it's called Indian's miner's lettuce. And so it's a type of miner's lettuce that I've never really tried it before, or any miner's lettuce. It's also called Spring Beauty, or Indian Spring Beauty, or something along those lines. I'm not even sure if it's edible, to be honest. I have to do a little more research, but I thought that was a cool find. Okay, and this little guy is Myrteola Nummularifolia. Hard to say, but essentially it's a kind of similar to the Chilean guava, if you're familiar with the ugni fruit, or even just the guava family. It has those types of berries on it, and it's an evergreen. I believe it's more of a ground cover, and it's supposedly very, very hardy. So it's the only thing in that family that I know of that could actually survive in this more temperate climate. We get down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, sometimes even below that, so it should actually survive. So this would be really interesting to have like the guava flavor, because there's not really anything that grows in this climate that has that kind of flavor to it. So that'll be really cool if I can get fruit off this. And then the other one, which I'm really excited about, is Vaccinium Gaultheriifolium. Definitely a mouthful, but it's in the blueberry family, as you can guess, and it is called the Chinese blueberry because it's native to parts of China, which is interesting because most of the blueberries that we grow in this country, or most countries actually, are from native to North America, plants that are native to North America, and this one's native to parts of China. It might even be the Himalayas, but the hardiness level is not totally known on it, so I'm not 100% sure if it will survive the winter here. But the Sacred Succulents people said that it would survive to 7B, but another website says the hardiness below 25 degrees Fahrenheit is unknown, so we're going to find out together. I'd be really sad if I killed this plant. I may have to find a really warm spot for it. And I could also even maybe try to keep it as like a indoor plant that I can overwinter indoors. So we'll see if that works. But yeah, these are some really rare plants, and I really encourage people to go out and try to find things that are really hard to find and grow them and cultivate them and study them and share with YouTube and social media, and spread them around so they don't get lost forever. Thanks for watching.